MED, select MED. Just to go. See, general. So it's totally up to business. How many screens they want, on which profile. So basically, MED only will use pharma. So mechanical, no use. So business will not ask you to assign that view profile to this. You understand?
Okay, understood.
Okay. So this is the role of consultant to create the view profile. Okay. So we will do one thing. Right now, we will assign one new profile.
Okay.
Okay, we will define the new profile. So let's see. And we will done the changes. Right now, this sandbox, I think it's giving some error for number ranges, but no issue because we will go on some other chapter for number range also. Okay, icons, just a moment. Check how much data is available there. Okay, up to, okay, no issue. So we can create a new view profile. No, we don't want to save. Okay, so in SPRO, plant maintenance and customer service, master data. Okay, master data, there will be technical object. Under technical object, equipment category, find category of functional location. Okay, functional location.
Define addition.
Yeah, in functional location, you will find define category. Define category of, just a moment, there will be defined category of functional location. Define category of functional location. Yeah. Okay. So here some categories are there. So we will start with a functional location, say view profile selection. So I will do one thing. We will create a new entries with the view profile. Let's see. Okay, A is not there,
Is
right?
not there.
Okay. A entry category as A description. Yes. Okay. So like a functional location. Okay. Description, status profile. Okay, see, the profile for tool is available. Okay, okay, object view profile. Let's see. What are the view profile? Okay, service function SFM profile is available. Okay, and we will save this. If you see this table content, means this data will be stored in that table, right? So let's see. Okay, data was saved and functional location category is A has been assigned with SFL. Okay, so let's see. Slash n IN01. Okay, so see functional location category. What we have done, what we have configured, A SFL. So our system, let me enter. The system will assign the display location. Okay, label must be end with separator. Okay, okay, I will change this. I think we have already updated one indicator. You remember that, right? Data one. You remember?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I'll again create slash n IM01 data one category is SFM. Right? Okay. So this has been come general location organization structure partner has been come from profile. So I will open that session. Okay. So let's see profile. Okay. SFL. Okay. So just select this and you can click here. See general location organized structure additional data one data two.
Okay.
Okay, general location. Just a moment. Okay, it has not got additional data one and data two. I think. Let me check. Let me check. SFL is right. We have already done. Okay, let me go. Okay. Okay. Location category. A is there. Okay, general location service functional. Okay, SFL is the view. I think some data has not got saved. So we will do one thing. We will make the changes in one profile. Okay, and we will do. So let me. I don't want to change that much because what happens for further training, we need to again create that. So what is my plan? I don't want. Let's see if I copy MSCH screen group functional location data view profile as okay. I will create SFM. Okay, and I will enter layout. So here description, number, description and tab. So we have created one new profile as SFM. Okay, because we don't want to hamper any standard profile. So no entries match with the selection criteria. So I need to give new entries there. So we will do one thing. We will refer. I will go back. You understand what we are designing the new screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, SFM profile. Okay. So I will go to SPRO. So the reference and data, technical object, functional location.
Different category.
Define field selection.
Selection.
I want to know what are the fields. Otherwise, we will do one thing. We'll take one example for technical object also. Okay, master data, technical object. You go to technical object. Technical object and change data. Okay, set view profile. So I will do one thing. I will take this MACH, click on layout. Okay, general location organization structure. So we will update some different screen for our profile SFM.
Hmm.
So basically what consultant do, there will be, they will take some reference of existing system and they will modify it as per business requirement. So 10 will be number 10, then number 20 I will keep it as it is, number 20, 30, 40. Okay, 30, 40, description. So this is sequence number. I will show you sequence 005 means on 00. Okay, I will change some sequence here.
Okay.
Okay, so here they have mentioned sequence 005 for general. So
Okay.
I will change little bit. I will take a reference data 010, 010. So this is sequence number, sequence number. So on the general data tab, that views will be, you will find that views. Okay, I will take manufacturing data second, 015. Again, it's up to business requirement, what views they want and in which sequence. Okay. Okay. So and 005, I will take later 005. Okay. So this what? Okay, 2025. I will just change 025 here and 020 here. So if you want what is 020, you just click on here is location data.
Okay.
Okay. On third, they have, I will just replace because we just want to make how changes we have done 030. Okay, 45 and 40. 45. And if you want to see 40 45, 045 is equipment and 40 is structuring. Okay. 040. Okay. Okay.
I think 40 is not
Entry
there. 50 is there.
Okay, correct. So let me, yeah, structure 50 is there. So see, so I will save this SFM, and once we create the equipment with SFM, the system will show us that details. Okay, let me go 90 other. In other, okay, we will update some long tests. What? Okay. Again, icon and text view. So if you see in standard, if I select this and I click it on icons and text view, you will find there some icon protocols are there. Class and documents icon. So I will show you. Oh, let me open dash OIE03. So icon means if you open the equipment, see there is icon like a image. See, so you can see these icons, images icons. It will become from here, icon protocol, icon partner, right? Icon and text view.